So in this video, I will show you step by step how to use light leak or ballet transition on CapCut. So first thing to do after you open out the CapCut like this, so the first thing to do, you go to transition. After you go to the transition section, so under the transition, now you scroll to down and go to lights. After you go to light, so here you'll be able now to see all the light leak transition that CapCut gives you to use on your videos. So for this video, I'm using this one. I will select this one. So the first thing to do now, you drag it to your between the clip that you want to add. So after I drag it between the clip that you want to add like this one, so now it has been added. So now if I play the video, let's see how it works.
Market.
Like this one. So here is it now how it
On the
works.
market.
So now if you want to apply this transition to all of your clips in the timeline, you just select this one and then go to apply to all. Now has been added to all of your clips. But if you want to change another one, you can scroll to down and choose the one that you want to use. Let's say you want to use this one, select it, add it to this to the timeline. So from there now this transition will be changed. Now if I play the
On the
video,
market.
as you can see like this one, if you want to apply this one to all of it, now select this one and go to apply to all. So from there this one will be applied to all of your transition in the CapCut. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.